Open PIA S5 Proxy. Select the proxy IP and right-click to select a port. Then click the port forwarding list below and click Copy. Then open MASQ. Click to add new profile. Select Windows System. Enter a name. Select Browser. Choose a country. Enter the proxy settings. Select S5 as the proxy protocol. Paste the copied proxy IP and port into it. Select Time Zone. Click Save. Query whether the current IP address is modified successfully. The IP address is now successfully modified. This is all the proxy tutorials about MASQ.